A girl come look for Jakes. Your woman, your baby mother enemy come look for you. You could protect her against your dirty baby mother. Eh? You could never. You can't protect her because you don't want Rosealee bust it up. Rosealee will scratch up your neck. Eh? And you can't do nothing. It doesn't. Nessa ain't a victim. It was just told on the live screen record out there. Nessa cute boss said this to be exact. Why everybody comment where I tell them Rosealee, you go underneath them video. So you see aggravating via megabytes and aggravating via real life. You don't have a case, Nessa. You don't have a case in this case, honestly. You might have a case elsewhere, but not in this case. And it's the truth. It's just the truth. Yeah, everybody know my feel towards Rosealee, the big hog. Everybody know my feel towards her. But for your own safety and security, you're moving wrongly. Do that. No matter when nobody wants say, and the girl be far, and the girl be far, and it was told that yeah, take the girl man, whether it's true or false. So everybody gather go up. Yeah, come here. If somebody take out warrant mine and come for your property, you know, you can do them anything, my baby. And walk and tell the court say them aggravated because them come at your yard after them know say you and them not well. Them come at your yard, you can't do them anything. They make nobody tell you nothing. You can't do them anything as self-defense. Them aggravated to the point where you have to defend yourself. It's true. Let me tell you that. Nessa have a tendency to leave the internet and come into reality. And that's not good. And that much you must talk about. It's not good. Jamaican bad boy, it's not good. No, on a serious note, everybody knows I'm a rap for Nessa. But on a serious note, you don't do that. You don't do that. Don't make the internet hype you up and tell you say you go anywhere you want to go. You're not flexible with this, so don't go there. Do not go there because you're not flexible with there. You just had a case with Roger where you only have to meet up in the inner city and X, Y, and Z. You like to come out of gigabytes and come into reality. And it costs you. At all times it costs you. At all times it costs you. You learn nothing from the mistakes that you made. Yeah. You learn nothing from your mistakes that you made. A thing like that happened to you with Roger, you know, avoid certain community. Roger should have come back to your memory. Jake's not have to protect Nessa, because Jake's not mean Nessa well. Remember, Jake's still on to Rosealee, but Una now see the bigger picture. Jake's not care about when Rosealee want to Nessa. She and Nessa fight out that. When Jake's make a content, and today Rosealee a scratch and chop. Allow me to tell. What Jakes is making is content. You're going to tell me say you go look for a man and him can't even protect you. Something wrong. Yeah, but you should fling stone off for Rosealee. What I'm saying, Rosealee shouldn't even have the choice to even come and open her mouth to Nessa. Because you're a man about your business.
You stone that thing?
You know, you say all Nessa get stoned.
Rosealee get stoned?
Yeah. You're a man about your business, but you can't be a man about your business against who you really love and still communicating with. You never know. Because your brethren come look for you. Go from here, so secure Nessa. Everybody who Nessa gravitate to as man never protect her. What you learn from Roger?
Okay.
Yeah, what you learn from Roger? The spitting happened in the station where the stone throwing happened. Stone can't throw in a station. So where the stone throwing happen? Where the stone throwing happen? By right, Rosealee is supposed to come argue with Nessa. How could he protect her? The same way she go look for him. And I mean tell you chat shit. How could he protect her? The same way she walk going to see if you go look for him. We not chat shit. We don't have too much feelings in this. Wanna put on service pan phone for have feelings. Yeah. Wanna put on service pan phone just to have feelings. So I don't know you come at about how could he protect her. Then you go in and come in to go look for your man now, Alicia, and a boy this year down the road. You don't feel like you don't want to go back in your community if your man does something. Oh, so yeah, all of una talk shit. Like una know get a life and una like talk justice and fairness. All of una talk do. Yeah. All of una talk do. All of una talk do. So I don't understand. The fact of the matter is, Nessa, we've seen your footprints, some of which are digital. You understand me? We've seen your footprints. People have it to say that everybody we are telling Rosealee on the live, you're going near them coming and you leave your 2 cents. And only for come in reality and find yourself around the girl, baby father. Nessa, I'm going to ask you a question. This is a big man question. Today's your birthday. Why you want to spend it with JX? And the internet just have it to say you and JX there. Today is your birthday. You deny the fact that you and JX there. Why? Where you know JX from, Nessa? Me just ask you where you know JX from. You've learned nothing from what Raja did for you not to want to spend your birthday with your enemy, Befa. And this is just something I ask you, You meet him on the wayside. You well dressed and gone down there and flash here in a camera. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. You're provoking the individual. You know what you're doing, Nessa. And you're not even bad.
You're going to get territory for bad.
Yeah. Everybody tell a man say, don't take no girl in a certain ghetto. Alright? You know Rosealee I go flip. Not that her flipping is correct, you know. Not that she's innocent in flipping, you know. But what you can avoid it, avoid it. As simple as that.
And some people go someplace to prove a point.
Yeah. You know the internet is very boastful. And you leave from the net gone into the girl reality. Nessa, you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing, and this is just the truth. Persons might see it otherwise and say, you're free, forgot anywhere you want. And the same thing, them did encourage Rosealee for the people them get lift up. Alright? And the same thing them do are, don't follow the internet. You could have gone down there, go lose your life. What would they say? You never have forgot Jake's not worth it. You could have gone down there, go lose your life if I did first time in my mother days. A girl acid you already before internet. Alright? Before internet you go certain place. You can't show what pan get a girl. Girl acid you. So when people sit up on the app and chat shit, they can always chat shit. If it was the days before internet, you get acid, you come up favor. A monkey that. Think of Nessa. So when you see the internet, all shit you get to, season shit. She and her friend them beat out your nastiness. So when people sit up on the internet attack, me not pay them no mind. Me don't pay them no mind. No, Jody B, it's true. Me not even look for you. Me not even look for you. So who wants to say me a chat shit? Me say that girl could have never come to Franklin Town, Anna Town, Tivoli. Allow me to tell, she get beaten not even back too. You get beaten so till you string up. I remember when Maga and Lizzie them one beat one girl for Keisha Flash, because Keisha Flash did pregnant. And the girl no come from the community and go like Shebada than Keisha Flash. And you know Keisha Flash can't fight, but you Shebada baby. And I say Lizzie and Maga buy out the argument. And Keisha Flash and Lizzie and Maga them are never friend. Enemy them, you know. Enemy them. You can't go a bow go through one stone. The whole of bow beat you. All when them not like you. All when them not like who them a defend. Yeah. Tafari want all I wanna love, you see? All I wanna love hype up and act up, you know. Nessa could I get a sturdy case of acid with rice grain. So all I wanna can talk about Nessa free for go anywhere she want go, she should have go to Tivoli. I true Jake's never there with no serious girl. She should have go to Tivoli. You think a joke? It's true. Nessa no love herself. Nessa take the internet personally. She could have go see if you go lose her life because of hype. So I don't know some people sit down on the upper chat but oh wow, you're blaming the victim. The victim know them did that though. The victim didn't want to be victim. The victim did audition for the be victim. You see Rosealee spitting in your face about 3 times in the station and police not do nothing and you just you condemn. You condemn. You condemn Nessa. Oh, you put on your clothes, go and see you to be condemned. And sometimes you just never know when you're going to dead. Sometimes you just never know when you're going to dead. That's my point. Sometimes you shorten your days. Sometimes you shorten your days. And that Nessa go do. No, sexy not. It hurts, you know, the fact that Rosealee might speak on Nessa, you know, for no reason, you know. But you cannot side from the fact that if Nessa had not bathed and put on her clothes to see content, it's this wouldn't reach her. This wouldn't reach her. Some things just not worth it. Billionaire want some things just don't worth it. She could have lose her life. You sleep and mark death. So when una sit here, so una thoroughly entertained, you know, by this way, only that never partake, you know. You think none of only that do it? None of who are boots it up would never do it. No care how bad me feel, I could never go in a one girl turf. Go pose with that man. Me get spit in my face, and what if reality me not there with him for true? And me just get spit for nothing? No man, come on, Nessa. You're too groupie, you have a groupie behavior. Yeah man, you're too groupie-ish. They might run some serious joke on the app, you know? Some serious sacrifice that go on the app. Because I don't know how you go in a one girl community. I don't know how you go in your enemy community. No care how bad I feel and feel like me the palm Alex. Yeah, me not going. No care I feel like me the palm Alex now malted milk. Me not go. Exactly. Because she's provoking. No, she forgot to scour down for true. You're mad. But the people, you see the internet, I tell you this. The internet never have anything positive to tell nobody. The internet hype you and boots you up. Nessa not right, you know, and Rosealee is not right, and Jakes is a hypocrite. Jakes is a hypocrite in the middle, you know. Because Jakes had tried to deceive the internet that him and Rosealee not together and them talk regularly at your unlisten conversations. You see, Rosealee can hype about any other man out there, but Jakes cannot hype about any other woman. What does that say? And if you notice, Jakes is walking in the line. Jakes no one deliverance from Rosealee, you know. You know, tell me which boy know me and my woman could my ex-baby mother could have out there a talk about man and my lips seal. Me can't talk about man. Eh? Me can't talk about woman. You can't trick me. Nessa, you create you put her close to be a sacrifice. If she and a man carry something for give Jakes, then all the man not defend Nessa. Eh? All the man not defend Nessa. And that me want know. See if you should have beat Nessa and the man out there for ill-treating Rosealee. Wanna shut them out now, man? Exactly, burger. I get to me come, I get to me born and grow. I get to me born and grow. Me born with a gully behind me, I grow with a gully in front of me. Me have it both ways. I get to me born and grow. Them can trick and deceive on up on the app, but them can't deceive me. I get to my born and grow. Let me tell you that. Oh, you have a case, you don't even call the person's name. Nessa dip on the live and she don't want to talk about the person. She don't want to call the person's name. She don't want to talk about the case, but yet still she want to provoke the individual by going into the community. The police not even take nothing from Jakes, no statement, no report, no a lie. Police not take nothing from Jakes because guess what? Them a puppy show. Them a puppy show discover. Who's not say when I miss it? That's where she's originated from. No? Rosealee. And when she move out, the whole world expects she's going to come and visit even her friend if she don't want to visit family. Why one must always start this story. If Rosealee and her Bayfar talk on phone and Jakes have story for say Rosealee wants sex and all of them something, oh she reached to that point. You understand me? Is what encouragement she's getting from Jakes makes she's behaving like this. But we don't want to say eye to eye, we don't want to say nose to nose. You understand me? So if Nessa take out someone's pan Rosealee after Rosealee had done her, how she had take her man and she had look her man, I go take out someone's pan me, and plus you come in a community where me originate. Number one, we not even know which pan Nessa originate from. A lie? Nobody knows which pan Nessa originate from. And you want to come in on my originality and pose with my man when me and him soon get back together and fight now a war later. And you want to come in on my community and hype on me with my baby. Nessa, you're too bright. Woman to woman, you're too out of order. I kid you not. You're very rude. I mean, nah give the one here. When me give you anything else, me nah give the one here. Me nah give the one here. And when them lock up Rosealee little more, me nah give the one here. You're out of order, and this is for every girl out there. Nessa could have lose her life carelessly. Oh, me nah say Rosealee right, you know, notice me nah say Rosealee right. Nessa could have lose her life. Me nah ask you if it was another case and another place. Nessa lose her life and come home looking different. Oh. She should have come home and look like a running foundation. Just the truth. When no one he said, oh, internet people scare, then they look on cause and effects, you know. Then just talk straight. But Rosealee and Jakes not there, but Jakes and Rosealee are lyrics each other after hours. I be my Bayfar. Yeah. It happened to you, girl. Oh, no, it's true. No, Burger. Everybody would have hype up Nessa for going in one box. Everybody. When Rosealee walk out her hotel room and go down to Hakeem, the girl them down at the hotel where I look Hakeem, and the girl push down Rosealee, everybody say Rosealee wrong. Everybody say Rosealee wrong. And everybody cuss Hakeem for not defending Rosealee. True or false? A girl come look for Jakes. Your woman, your baby mother enemy come look for you. You could protect her against your dirty baby mother. Eh? You could never. You can't protect her because you don't want Rosealee bust it up. Rosealee will scratch up your neck. Eh? And you can't do nothing. It doesn't matter what it won't happen.
Remember to you know, you ever see with him dream, man? The man in them, go and put himself in a worries.
And I put self in a worries, Alicia. If Jakes are the better one for knock out Rosealee.
But you know prison.
Them are you come here. Them are use this Freda and no one get yourself in a trouble. If you have several reports from Rosealee and Rosealee is provoking you and aggravating you, the court is going to see you through. Me now ask you the same way Nessa take out paper and aggravate Rosealee. You know see the difference? Jakes are the better one to kick out Rosealee batter all. Jakes is the better, it's true. Him now gonna away because every single time and evidence out there.
Sometimes you know you can't die, you get the shit and die stick, you know.
If not, you don't understand. Listen. It has been months and years since GX avoided Rosealee and Rosealee are provoking. Right? Provoke. Provoke. Alright. If Nessa come check me, my friend come check me, it's my duty to defend you. Me make you understand yourself. You see me go kick it till your blood come. Me go kick it till your blood come. But you see through GX licky and want the money for the internet, him no want nobody go say him a woman beater. You understand me? So why you bother make the girl come check you then? And you can't protect her. Leave her alone because you put money over protecting your friend who come look for you. Leave her. Tell her don't come. I can't protect you. As simple as that. Right, if GX can defend himself, or the hell am I going to defend Nessa? Then when Nessa go, can you imagine that she alone and I get the acid because Rosealee want her be far. I now ask you, we're born and going to the inner city. We know inner city life. Allow me to tell, there is no way you can pass me. And you take out papers and I come brighten in my face with my BFR. Like you and my BFR plan for prison me. Forget my man, for to live happily ever after without me. After me struggle with him. And me buy him first shirt. Come here. If Rosealee want to talk when I like, so she go look for her kids today. Rosealee is more smart and calculated than Nessa. If you a dunce girl like Rosealee, she's smarter than Nessa. You never know. I lie. Smarter than Nessa. She has an alibi. She has an alibi. Smarter than Nessa. I'm going to look for my BFF as if you don't know say Nessa down there. You know. But you see, it's for us to judge that you know. You don't know in your defense. Don't. Because I've stated that I'm going to look for my kids. No more buck up in this bitch. Yeah. So all of you can sit down and play victim. Nessa is careless. Nessa has a case with Raja where she wants to link up with Raja, and it turned out that Raja allow others to abuse her. Now you know learn nothing from the abuse where you get. I wonder if abuse is something where you're used to. For you to go to save you now, and you send papers go give Raja serve him for the incident, you know, to show you oh you're not smart, you know. You send papers to Raja like what you sent to Rosealee for the incident Raja had caused you. You know, the traumatic incident. And for you now to leave from gigabytes to go mix mad in a real life. Your enemy, Nessa, oh you have enemy by the way. That's what I'm talking about. It's not the first you leave in your territory, so you know what you do. You know what you're doing. Remember, you leave your territory, you know you serve Raja paper. You leave your territory. Nobody never come in your zone, come abuse you, you know. You always get abusing people's zone. Or you leave from St. Thomas, come a Kingston, come get abused so many times. Yeah. How you leave St. Thomas, come a Kingston? I like for ask Nessa them question, you know. Yeah. You take out papers from somebody you don't even pass the courthouse when the event are key. Alright? You avoid.
Leave it to the law.
Yes. You don't do that. And the internet not telling Nessa. The internet not telling you. You can go anywhere you want to go, but not in certain situations, my baby. Not in certain situations. Avoid Jakes for now. Avoid meeting up with Jakes for now until the case done. And that is just the truth. Can you irritate Rosealee? Do not provoke who you prosecute. The internet not like you. The internet is nobody's friend. Here. All of who encourage you don't have a case like or a situation like what you are going through. All of who encourage you would never be so stupid like you to go in a them enemy community. You're not girl out the road in a war. Alicia, you're not going in our community. You say, oh, no man. Dancer keep down the so me not come. Where's it I keep on the girl street where you beat? You go? The girl better than you by far. The amount of people are beat you, see? Oh, all our enemy them are put in one. Yeah, you can't do that. Old people always say chop and through a street. You don't do that, Nessa, you're provoking. And this is just the truth, you're provoking. That is why I ask you a cute boss say true. I say, oh, you're not rub cute boss, but you make cute boss speech come true. I'm not defending Rosealee. I'm not defending Rosealee. None of you are right in this. And Jakes is a big mama, man. Jakes is a big mama, man. Jakes keep fooling Nessa. From Jakes I go down a CVU station, them not take report. From him go number one Jakes name full up Huntsby. Because them have Jakes in a Huntsby from longer time, same a thief, though. Oh. So I don't understand why Jakes go to these stations who have film file. Them not take him serious. Them not take him serious. Remember Rosealee cost Huntsby for Jakes. True or false? True. Oh. This is on a treat police. And no one police help. You see?
But them help Rosealee.
Them some because she spend her money. Yeah, she's paying for it. This is how it goes. Nessa, let me tell you this. Jakes knows say Rosealee will spend your money and shake him up. Don't go look for Jakes. Jakes can't protect you. Alright? Jakes cannot protect you. Do not go and look for Jakes.
Nessa get be a spit for her birthday.
Spit. Rosealee spit for me, I'm not lie. My ox out Rosealee thoughts. Rosealee could have never spit for me. No, I not say she can't spit for me, but I not tell her them have to go build a casket size. I not ask you, you're mad?
Right to your birthday.
You're mad? You're mad? Rosealee Arkansas? Rosealee germs, Rosealee curse, you know? Spit for me? You must be mad. All at 10 years time. I got a casket go stab it up. Happy kind of people I love, you know. All 10 years after I damage her.
Yeah, stab it.
I got a casket go stab it up. Yeah.
Rosealee a bad girl.
You're mad, Nessa, I'm not going to tell you, like, you're going to a girl community, you deserve that saliva there. God knows.
That it put on for Nessa doing no
Yeah,
man.
that it put on for you. You deserve that case of sinus the way you get. You deserve it. You deserve it. And then you not even retaliate, you not even do nothing. Yeah, but you look case. And the time for look case now. Speak for me. Then while I pick me, I go say, and you like come and talk about your son and blah blah and rape. Where your child I go say now?
And you protect your son.
And you protect your son. Come on girl, think. Think man, you think. You not think. People I love you now. Can't stay no longer with you now. I want beard. My little crutches a drip. And then my honey, a dirt.
And 25 in there with for you.
Yeah, I'm going to my man. Yeah, my love you now. We love you guys. Big up on yourself and stay blessed and don't go in the enemy community. Don't even go one cake steal in the enemy community. Don't even go in one cake steal. Don't be a Nessa. Nessa, you're provoking with your presence and you're provoking with your text. Anybody where you hear a chat Rosealee, avoid them. You know, don't go into them inbox, don't have anything to say about Rosealee. Avoid Rosealee's community. Avoid it. You could have get acid. Avoid it. Later, my love, you know what?